Vanakkam, my dear ones. A very warm welcome to my YouTube family. Granny the best. I am Shanthi Paati, and this is my world where I share my heart. My kitchen is filled with love, memories, and recipes that have traveled through many generations. These dishes were taught to me by my mother, my mother-in-law, and my dear friends. Some are my own little creations, crafted with lots of love just for you all. Every recipe I share is simple, practical, and made with ingredients found in your home. My wish is to help you bring delicious, homely food to your family's dining table. Let us keep our traditional flavors alive together, one tasty meal at a time. If you enjoy my recipes, please subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon today. Your support encourages me to continue sharing many more wonderful dishes with you all. Please leave your comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and requests. Thank you for visiting my kitchen. Stay happy, take care, and let's cook with love.